Continuing right along post all the pain, drama, and strife of our last video. Be sure to click that to have a look. Picking up where we left off. Got our puck, double-sided grit, 180, and 320. As we mentioned before, our axe is still fairly factory sharp, so we're just continuing. Puck sits on the bevel. See that little marker line? Little black line looks like a marker. Close that gap. Small, vigorous circles going back and forth along the blade. Counting each pass that you do, you're going to follow up right along on the other side. 320 grit is a little finer grit, which works in this case. The water mixed with the grit on the stone, causing a viscosity, kind of like a lubrication. It just gets your edge nice and honed and sharp. Once you finish that edge, straightforward enough. Just want to switch sides. Now you can continue with your axe this way, or you can bend it back around this way, if you prefer using your right hand. Same thing on this side. Make that little black mark line disappear. You found your angle on your bevel. Small lines, small circles moving back and forth along the blade, following that bevel. You can keep an eye on your blade this way too. It's right in your face. So you can maintain your edge angle a little better looking down onto the blade. Don't worry about the chalky residue coming off of the puck. That'll do that for the first few times of use. Stopping every once in a while just to check your bevel. That gray colorization on the puck is filings and powder, metal filings and dust that you're shaving off the blade edge.
Start anew the next day.